If your idea of paradise involves sun, sand, and surf, then grab your sunglasses. This one's for you. From Florida's stunning Siesta Key with its powdery white sands and crystal clear waters, to Maui's Wailea Beach, perfect for soaking up the Hawaiian sun, these beaches are calling your name. Looking for adventure? Kauai's rugged Nepali Coast offers not just breathtaking views, but epic hiking trails. Or maybe you want to relax on the hidden gem of Gulf Shores, Alabama, where white quartz sand meets the warm Gulf waters. For family fun, Clearwater Beach, Florida, has you covered with calm waters and endless water sports. And don't miss out on Destin, Florida, famous for its emerald green waters and top-notch fishing spots. So pack your bags, because these beach destinations promise unforgettable memories and Instagram-worthy moments. Where will you go first? Remember, the beach is always a good idea. See you in the sun.